Daddy got angry.
No, Daddy's not angry. Daddy's not angry. Daddy's happy. You say Daddy's happy.
Baby happy.
Baby happy.
Mommy's happy.
Mommy's
Yes,
happy.
Mommy's happy.
And Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy's happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One.
On big pizza.
Big
A
pizza?
big one?
Alright, let's go and
Let's go get a big
Come on,
pizza.
let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Is baby.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Spangkon the Vlogs tayo sa Bibo at Bibe at Pabebe at mga pabata. Kaibigan ni Nitro yan. Today, pupunta kami sa pizza shop dito sa Calgary. So, dahil mahilig si Nitro ng pizza, we're gonna find a pizza place here in Calgary.
Nitro ni mo favorite.
Mommy, can you sit down? Alright. So, yung pizza place dito sa Caligara is called Alberto's Pizza. Ayan. So, masarap daw siya. Kadalasan, hindi mahilig ang mga Pinoy ng pizza, no? Kasi walang rice.
Hey!
Hey! Kamusta? Ayun, no? Andito na. Alright, Nitro. Let's go, buddy. Tell me, Daddy. Jump. There you go. Alright.
You have to ask Daddy because we're here for the pizza, not the ice cream. Nahubuan.
Daddy, I'm ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
No, not now.
Pizza. You have pizza, not ice cream.
Ice cream.
Sino po si Alberto? So ano pala to? It's pizza franchise, guys. Ayan. So may branch sila dito sa Caligara. Hindi tayo sponsored ng Alberto's. Kaya may kami dito. Nagbayad pa naman kami. Ready? Ready na?
Say Poggy! Nitro smile God!
May deliver din pala sila, no? Pwede na pa-deliver.
Panig na kay para makitanan ko.
You want pizza?
Yeah.
Thank you! Bye-bye!
Okay, Dr. Fam, we got the pizza. Ayan, bawin na tayo. Nitro is complaining kasi he wants to hold the pizza. Pero mainit.
No.
It's alright, Nitro.
Nitro, look. It's okay.
Daddy.
Daddy will give it.
Nitro, you want pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the pizza.
Ano yung makukumpara sa'yo? Bantay
Yeah,
na ba yung
pizza.
dumalagan?
Oh, Nitro, your friends are over there. Oh, your friends are there. Hey.
Ba yung dumalagan? Maligis.
Daddy.
Hello.
So your friends is Nina. Hey. Oh, your friends, Nitro.
Oh, I'm pizza.
Want pizza? Okay, let's open the pizzas. All right, so we got 1, 2 pizzas. Don't we, Nitro? Let's have a look. So that's the everything pizza.
Pizza.
That's the pizza with the lot. And this is the Hawaiian pizza.
Pizza.
Hawaiian pizza, that's right.
Good boy.
Okay,
And
Nitro.
this one.
We'll get you a plate, okay? We'll get you a plate and you can eat on the plate. You want this one?
This one
This one or this one? Which one?
is.
This one or this one?
This one. This one.
Oh, you want both? It's too hot, you gotta blow it. Blow it.
That's
Go.
why. You like it?
Yummy.
Say yummy?
What about this one? Try this one. This one. Try this one. Yummy. Eating the pizza. Ooh, yummy pizza. Woohoo.
Oh, umutot.
You utot?
Did you utot?
Hey!
Thank you sa thread.
Sa threat daw. Ayan, muntik na ubos ang pizza natin. Masyanta, yan ang kain na. Ang sarap, di ba?
Masarap.
Ayan.
Kasi rare lang sa probinsya ang mag-pizza.
Totoo.
City lang talaga.
Nitro, it's yummy. Hey, yummy pizza. Yeah, you've been smashing it, haven't you? Sarap pala ang Alberto's. Alright, Nitro fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to. Matutulog na si Baby Nitro.
Enjoy your phone.
Yeah, it's Daddy's phone. Nitro, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you sa next video ng Atlanta.
Bye, guys.
You got me falling.